Welcome back to Grandma Alice's kitchen. Today we are going to cook Perut Ikan. If you are wondering what on earth is going on right now, there's actually a construction going on outside the house, so we muted the video. First you want to blend the chopped serai, kunyit, galangal, shallots with some water. And then cut half a pineapple to be used later. Cut the long beans into smaller sizes. Eggplant also cut. And you should end up with a bowl of the blended ingredients earlier. And this is a bowl of 20 dried chilies blended with a little bit of oil. And here is your chopped up vegetables and pineapples. For this, I chop all these ingredients into fine slices. So now let's get cooking. I poured all into my pot on high heat, and now we are going to stir fry the blended chili bowl. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now add your prawns. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar and just some water. Then pour in about 2 cups of asam Jawa water. You want to fill up maybe half your pot. Put in all your shredded vegetables and herbs. This Perut Ikan is a Nonya dish that I learned from my mother. It translates into the stomach of a fish. Actually, we are supposed to use fish stomach in this recipe, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I used prawns instead. But feel free to modify it. Now put in all your other vegetables. Let it simmer until vegetables soften. Once your vegetables soften, you can throw in the pineapples and you are pretty much done. How simple was that? Just throwing everything into one pot. It's ready. Now my Perut Ikan is ready and I'm going to eat it up. It's so yummy. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, you like and subscribe. Bye bye. Tonight we are going to Perut Ikan. So here are the recipes. That's all ว่าขอลูกเอาเลยไป